Welcome back, book buddies! Today we are going to read a book from the incredible Peppa Pig collection. Today's book is Pedro's Cough. Let's go. Pedro's Cough. Peppa and her friends are waiting for Madame Gazelle to start their music lesson. Miss Polly had a dolly, sings Madame Gazelle. What is that strange noise? Poor Pedro Pony has a nasty cough. Not to worry, says Madame Gazelle. I'll ring Dr. Brown Bear. Dr. Brown Bear looks after everyone when they are poorly. Dr. Brown Bear picks up his medical kit, jumps in his doctor's car and drives straight to playgroup. Nino, Nino, Nino. I've got a cough, says Pedro, when Dr. Brown Bear arrives. It's nothing serious, says Dr. Brown Bear, but it may be catching, so we'll give you some medicine. Ugh, cries Pedro. It tastes like old shoe full of jam. Susie Sheep and Danny Dog start to cough too. As I thought, says Dr. Brown Bear. Pedro's cough is catching. He gave them both some cough medicine. Ugh, it tastes of carpet-flavoured yoghurt, says Susie. Yuck, it tastes of flowers, says Danny. Do you ever get ill, Dr. Brown Bear? Asked Peppa. I'm never ill because I eat an apple a day, says Dr. Brown Bear. There's Dr. Brown Bear's yummy green apple. Soon it is home time and the parents arrive to pick up the children. I've got a cough, says Pedro. Dr. Brown Bear came to look after us, says Danny. All the adults start coughing too. Peppa picks up the phone. Dr. Brown Bear, now all the grown-ups are ill, she says. Now it is the grown-ups' turn to take their cough medicine. Ugh, it tastes like custard and old socks, cries Madame Gazelle. All the grown-ups must take their medicine to help them feel better. No one likes the medicine. Ugh. Who looks after you when you're ill? Asks Peppa. No one looks after me, replies Dr. Brown Bear. I'm never... Dr. Brown Bear has caught Pedro's cough too. Who will look after Dr. Brown Bear? Gasps Peppa. Poor Dr. Brown Bear is taken to the hospital. He has some visitors. Danny has brought some fruit. Susie has brought the medicine. Open wide, says Susie. Ugh, cries Dr. Brown Bear. It tastes like jammy yogurt-flavoured carpet shoe with flowery custard old socks. Soon, Dr. Brown Bear is feeling better. Everyone loves being looked after, even Dr. Brown Bear. And there's Dr. Brown Bear, and there's Grandad Dog and his tow truck. The end. Thank you very much for joining me again today. Do come back so we can read more books together. Please like and subscribe. Bye.